Good evening, sir. So, we are the Group 5 of case study. So, today po, ipe-present po namin yung final case study which is about sa Hospital Information System. So, let's start po with the introduction. Okay, so, Chapter 1, Introduction. So, now, in this generation, yung mga computers natin, ginagamit na natin ng madalas, di ba? Lalo na sa panahon ngayon. For example, running a business, online class, everything is concentrated online. So, what is web application? Ito yung application software that runs on a web server, hindi katulad ng computer-based software programs that are run locally sa operating system ng device. Yung mga web applications ay na-access by user through a web browser na may active network connection. So, in relevance about the web application, maybe may mga ilang hospital na gumagamit pa rin ng MS Excel and manual file folders. So, we as IS students, nag-propose kami ng magandang way para maging mas maayos at ma-manage din ng tama yung mga records sa hospital sa paraan na pag-develop namin ng web application para i-organize ang mga data or records ng mga patients. Then, we call it Hospital Information System. Then, let me po na i-explain the importance of managing hospital records because it is related to different needs and objectives. Binubuo kasi dito yung permanent documentation ng patient health, permitting the medical professional para mag-survey ng mga symptoms and the signs of patients, and nagbibigay din ng improvements for diagnosis and nagpo-provide ng treatments. So, explain ko naman yung sa website. Uh, sa mga large hospitals, merong mga storage room where the printed records are placed na maaaring maging mahirap para ma-maintain ang mga records or to access the information. Yung system ng hospital information is a LAN-based system. Basically means sa hospital kasi karaniwang ginagamit for communications, medical data transmission, and para ma-monitor yung patient. Yung system ay binubuo but not limited to the following: patient records, billings, laboratory results, consultation fee, medicine inventory, doctor's prescriptions, doctor in charge. Yung pinropose naming system, kasama din yung terminal for the patient to view the following information: patient medical history, reservations of appointments, laboratory requests. Okay, so yung information na mare-record in this web application are secured and accessible lang siya for all the users. So yung next presenter po is si Alvis Renzi.
Good evening, sir. Napresent ko na po yung Chapter 2, System Design. Meron po kaming seven table, patient, doctor, admin, consultation, consultation, laboratory record, case, medicine. Next presentation kayo po, si Angelo Ben Sampang.
Good evening, sir. Ako po si Angelo Bian Sampang. And ipe-present ko naman po yung entity relationship diagram. Ang aming database design, kapag ang na-input yung patient and doctors at gagawa and then ang user is gagawa ng table consultation na at kukuha siya ng data sa table patient at table doctors. Kukuha din siya ng data dito sa table medicine para mabuo yung isang consultation. Sa ang table lab record naman po, dito masasave or may store lahat ng data or record para sa laboratory. At kukuha po ang table lab record ng data sa table patient at table consultation, which is yung diagnosis ng table consultation. Sa table keys naman po, dito nasisave yung mga cases or illnesses na na-record sa consultation. Next slide naman po, components of web form. Any web page can consist of separate components that makes the website working. Sample components of a working web page are image, text, audio, video, animations, and other multimedia content interacting with internet users. The components that we use in our web page are the following: home page, navigation bar or main menu, submit button, text area and input fields, search bar or search box, and pagination. Next presenter naman po.
Hello, so my name is Anthony Rivera, po yung representer. Tapos po, sir, dito po yung namin, yung page figure. So dito maglalaging si admin user. Pagkalagin niya po, sir, bubungad sa kanya yung link and web page namin, kung saan niya makikita yung patient list and then doctor list. Dito po, sir, pwede i-edit ni admin user yung nasa patient list namin. Makikita niya yung dito yung mga record ng patient and then record ni doctors. Sa kabilang kamanda na, sir, sa isang table pa namin, medicine list, nandito lahat yung mga list ng medicine namin. Consultation list, nandito yung pinagsama-sama ng record, yung nasa doctor, patient, and medicine list, nandito lahat yung consultation list. Tapos po yung sa last list namin, ay nasa yun kung case list is yung symptoms ng patient, nandito po yun. Tapos laboratory record, nandito rin po yung information ni patient, tapos yung result niya. Lab result, yun po. Sa chapter 3 naman po, babalik po sa kay Winkel.
Okay, chapter 3. On this chapter 3, coding, let me discuss to you the respective features and advantages. First, HTML. The advantage of this language is madali lang siyang maintindihan at matutunan because ito yung madalas na language na dapat ipasa ng mga students. Ito ay may mga simple tags at hindi siya case sensitive gaya ng ibang language. The most advantage of HTML is simple lang siyang i-edit dahil hindi na kailangan ng special interface para i-edit. Ganun lang ka-simple si HTML at very lightweight siya. Also, basic of all programming languages. Then, the features of HTML is to display data in a tabular format. Means, naka-arrange sila in a table with rows and columns. Gumagamit ng graphics and display text sa iba't ibang fonts, size, and color. At mag-create ng multiple windows in a web page para ma-display yung mga information from multiple sources in different windows and create hyperlinks para ma-navigate into different documents and present on the web. Okay, so let's move to the next one, PHP. Yung advantage naman nito is open source siya and free. Usually, itong nada-download kahit saan at pwedeng gamitin sa web application events. Nakakatulong din ito sa pag-manage ng madaling code. Ang PHP application ay pwede siyang i-connect into database at madali lang din itong i-download. It is used mainly because meron siyang mabilis na pag-download than other programming language on the slow internet. So, yung main features ng PHP are simple kasi it is very simple lang talaga ang PHP at easy to use compared sa ibang scripting language. And this is widely used all over the world. Interpreted language yung PHP at hindi na kailangan ng compilation. Platform independent means yung PHP code mag-run siya kahit saang platform. Pwede siya like Linux, Unix, Mac OS, and Windows. So, let me discuss the last one, RESTful API. Yung advantage naman nito is based siya sa API's ability para makipag-interact sa web pages. Gumagamit ng API technology ang mga programmers para mag-develop ng application that provide useful services sa mga sites visitor, just like pag-access sa database, content, at yung website services. Depende din kasi yung advantages sa web development at saka particular na API na piniling gamitin. Then yung features ng API na Then yung features ng API is high performances, rate limiting, load balancing, authentication, also security. While on the other side, RESTful CRUD operations is very important. Why? Kasi yung ability niya na mag-create, read, update, and delete sa web application ay mahalaga for most fully functional projects. Let's say, for example, if gagawa kaming blog post page or business advertisement, it will quickly get stuck kapag wala siyang CRUD operations. And the features of RESTful CRUD are create, ibig sabihin nito, yung enable users para makapag-create ng record sa database. Read, operations naman, halos same lang sila ni search function, so the user can find or recover yung record sa table at i-read yung values ng data. Yung update, operation naman, ginagamit ito kapag may gustong i-revise existing records si user sa database. Yung delete, so obviously naman, delete function means allow users to remove some records from database na hindi na kailangan. Next slide po. So, Chapter 4, Conclusion and Recommendation. So, conclusion. At the end of our case study, by doing this practical work, we have deepened yung kaalaman namin tungkol sa mga theory lectures ng programming. Also, pinalawak din namin yung knowledge namin in different programming language. Yung PHP is a great tool para magsulat ng dynamic web pages. Madali ring matuto ang mga non-technical users sa pag-develop ng web pages and easy to manage and useful. In the overview tutorials, natutunan namin yung mga sa basic of HTML tags that we can use sa pag-create ng structured web pages with images and hyperlinks. So, yung computer at internet in our life as a modern student ay mahalagang part ito for us. Furthermore, after doing this case study, naging interesado po kami sa course na ito and might look towards a future in this field. So, naisip po namin ng ibang mga bagay na we could create with computer programming and the possibilities and limitless. So, yung recommendation naman namin, we recommend improving the performance and yung availability ng system is very crucial for its acceptance, satisfaction, and overall success. Yung hospital information system ay kailangan ng enhancement in the form of improving the software speed, responsiveness, at yung pagdagdag ng mga computers and laptops. Then, kailangan din maging mas maayos pa yung screen designs with more focus sa sequence and logical functions, tasks and buttons. At saka some software ay kailangan din maging mas user-friendly or user-adjusted when possible, such as font size. Lastly, most users were very enthusiastic, which means masigla tungkol sa paggawa ng pag-aaral na to and survey, and lahat sila ay i-recommend na it should be done on a regular basis para ma-monitor at ma-improve yung level ng hospital information system acceptance and yung satisfaction sa mga users and focus on critical issues and high priority challenges. So, yun lang po. So, dun po nagtatapos yung manuscript presentation namin. Next naman po yung web system presentation.